Are you struggling to find high quality leads or gain actionable insight into your target market? Identifying the right prospectors and understanding market dynamics doesn't have to be really overwhelming. So, welcome to D&B Hoovers, the ultimate platform for lead generation and market intelligence. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through how you can use DB Hoovers to identify leads, analyze companies, track industry trends, and generate actionable insight, all from one intuitive dashboard. Right, so by the end of this video, you will know how to set up D&B Hoover, search for prospectors, segment leads, and obviously this is an introduction video. But some of the things which I really like, right? So before moving further, let's break down what's make D&B Hoover stand out. So according to them, D&B Hoovers is a powerful platform designed to help businesses we already knew and to identify leads, analyze companies, and all this stuff. Now, what it is basically? So it's a lead generation. You can access a database over 200 million companies to find qualified leads. You can get detailed insight into the company size, revenue, leadership, and financial health. You can track industry trend, competitor activity, and emerging opportunities. You can narrow down your search with filter like location, industry, and employee count, and more. Obviously, we'll get into this. Now, some things which I really like more than this, because that is cloud-based and accessible from any device. There's a seamless integration with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Microsoft Dynamic, real-time update to ensure accurate and actionable data, right? So to get started with D&B, now visit their website here. If you're not able to find it, just go and search for D&B Hoovers. Click on this first link here, right, and you will come up here. Now here you will get this option of request a free trial. You can just go and click on here. You have to enter your email, select your country, and click on get my free trial. Now once you do this, you have to enter your some of the details, your personal details, for example first name, last name, your title, and everything. And once you go and click on submit, right, now once you go and click on submit, automatically a team member from D&B will be in contact with you through email address. They will explain their product to you. They will try to understand what's your need, how you're gonna use, and a lot of stuff, right? And obviously then they will give you pricing. Once you're satisfied with it, will help you installation of that software in your system, right, in your company. And they will also give a complete training and everything, right? And then you can start using it. So it's really easy. For example, the setup process is very straightforward even for beginners, and ensure you're ready to start generating leads right away. Now usually this is the exact dashboard how it's look. Now here you can, let's find by finding a list of ideal target companies. So you have to go and click on search and build a list here from the top menu bar. Now select the companies. Now once you select the companies here, automatically you can see here this is a result. Now I will isolate my territory, right? Obviously there's a lot of location, there's a lot of companies that are registered at different locations, so you need to select your location first. Now click on this. Now select your location. So as you can see here, you can select a lot of location at one time here. Now you can select filter by size, for example how large that enterprise should be, right? So once I just go and click on here, once you enter the details, target key industry, right? So obviously you are not going to take leads from every industry. You're just going to target a very specific industry. And once you enter the details, right, you can select more than one and click on view result on the top right side corner. Now you can see here, these are some of the results. For example, this is American Eagle Outfitters Incorporation here, right? This is from clothing and apparels, registered in Pennsylvania, United States. The phone number, right? And there's a sales, and there's a assets, there's a employees, and there's a lot of things, right? Now, for example, find matching contacts, right? Now let's filter for ideal prospectors. You can just go and click on modify. This is a contact label. There's a contact title contains, right? Once you enter this, click on view result. Now you can just go more specific, right? Now obviously you can go more specific and you can just target their top management people or employee working on that specific company. This is just an example, right? For example, American Eagle, the first example we saw, that is Roboto, and this is a demo, right? And you can just go and check this out. Now once I go and click on here, automatically it will show me the every detail about the company, right? And the company's summary and a lot of information, right? For example, if you want to check corporate family, now you will get a lot of information. I can also just go and click on check SWOT. Now, what is meant by SWOT? That is a strength, weakness, opportunity, threats, right? This is a basic overview to check every industry. What's the weakness? What's the opportunities? You can read, right? What's the opportunity? What's the weakness? And everything here. If I just go to the news, obviously it will show me the news related to this company, which can help me to get current data, current affairs, what is happening, and you can analyze the report, right? So if I just go and click on analyze report, it will show me the reports and everything. For example, Deutsche Bank here, JP Morgan, right? You can just go and check this. You can read the document. I can just go and check here annual reports. Obviously it's a big company, right? And I can check the annual reports. I can see the revenue is going up or down, whatever it is, right? And once you're satisfied with it, you can, there's a lot more option, right? I'm showing you some of the basic information, basic details here. Now click on technology in use, what they are using. So they are using Adobe, Google, right? And there's a lot of option, right? So there, this is really nice because D&B give me every data. Even they are using reCAPTCHA of Google, right? reCAPTCHA is owned by Google, by the way, if you don't know, right? And Google parent company is Alphabet. So you can see here Alphabet Incorporation. Now this is industry overview, and I can check everything here. I can read this, right? On the top you can click on save searches, right? So on the save searches you can see here, this is the person we were looking for. From here I can engage key contacts by mobile phone, email, and social media. So this is how you can just find every detail about a company. You can understand market trends, right? Critical for staying ahead of the competition. And here how D&B Hoovers help, right? You can access industry reports, you can access track competitions, you can track competitions, you can identify emerging opportunities, you can set alerts. So this tools gives you an edge other than over your competitors. So finally, DBN also provide you reports, which I told you. You can track the key metrics, total number of qualified leads, revenue potential, industry growth rate, and competitive positioning, right? You can use these insights. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to use DBN Hoover. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.